So when you're casting off, what you want to do is start by doing 2 knit stitches. So I'm just going to do 2, and you are going to take your yarn that's closest to you, lift it up, and pull through the yarn that's closest to the tip of the needle, like that. So you should have 1 piece of yarn that's on your right needle. So you're going to pick up another piece, another loop, by doing a knit stitch, and then you're going to do the same thing. So pick up this piece that's closest to you and slide through the piece that's closest to the tip of the needle, like this. So you have 1 loop, and then you go back, do another knit stitch, and then you're going to do the same thing where you slide through that piece of yarn that's closest to the tip of the needle. And you keep working like this all the way down, and this is just tying off the ends and making them look very nice and sharp. And so once you've done your final stitch and you have this little loop, just cut the yarn and pull this last little piece through and pull. And it's all tied off, it's not going to come undone. If you want to be extra sure that nothing's going to come unraveled, I like to do a little extra loop here. And just tie it. But that's it.